We'll guide you through how to print selection in WPS Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Printing specific data in WPS Office spreadsheets can be confusing, especially for beginners. Many users only need certain cells, not the entire sheet, and want to avoid wasting paper. This guide helps them quickly select, preview, and print exactly what they need with proper formatting. To print a specific selection in WPS Excel, begin by opening WPS Office on your computer. From the main interface, click on WPS Spreadsheets to launch the Excel-like program. Once the program is open, locate and open the workbook that contains the data you want to print. After the file loads, hover your cursor over the worksheet to locate the table or group of cells you intend to print. When you find the correct area, click and drag your mouse across the cells to highlight the exact selection you need. Ensure that only the required cells are selected by carefully checking the highlighted region before proceeding. Next, move your attention to the top toolbar and search for the Page Layout option, which is positioned between the Insert and Formula options. Click on Page Layout, then move your cursor to the Print Area option and open the Print Area drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Set Print Area to define your chosen cells for printing. After setting the print area, move your cursor to the top menu again and locate the File menu, which is near the Save option. Click on the File menu and then look for the Print option in the list. Hover your cursor over it and click the Print Preview option to see how your selection will appear on paper. Carefully review the preview to make sure the print sheet contains only the table or cells you intended to print. If needed, customize the print settings such as orientation, margins, or scaling to improve the layout. Before printing, double-check that no extra blank spaces or unintended cells are included in the selection, as this can affect the final output. You may also adjust the number of copies or choose a specific printer if multiple devices are connected to your computer. Taking a moment to review these details helps prevent unnecessary paper waste and ensures your document prints exactly as expected every time for consistent and professional results always.